Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
This is Samara Sheikh.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
You guys will edit, right? Because we spoke about my...
We were just talking about how being an athlete is not important at the level of sport we play.
Yeah, that's true.
Because by the time this is out, it'll be done and dusted. But there is a Comedians Badminton League
That's right.
coming up April 1st. I'm
You
hoping.
have to guess the winner so we can see whether.
Yes, guess the winner.
It's me. I'm so good.
Is a person even winning or is it a team?
The sponsors, what is it?
The
brand, the
sponsors,
brands that
the sponsors are losing.
Yeah.
Whatever happens,
Sponsors
it's a
are
loss for
losing.
them. But yeah, this thing of like, you don't have to be an athlete to win at our level.
No, we don't. You don't.
You just have to have
skills.
skills and I think a
Free
killer
time.
instinct.
Sorry, killer instinct.
You really want to,
It's almost like you should have been athletic sometime in your life.
yes, at some point.
That's enough.
It's like muscle memory.
Yeah.
It's just muscle memory and knowing that. But ruthlessness is a big part of it, I can tell you, because I lose it after one point. I'm like, yeah, I won that point really well.
Yeah.
I think I can take coast for the next 5 minutes.
Oh.
That's when you get destroyed by these psychos.
Psycho.
And that's why when you watch like these sports, like badminton, to watch it, I
Yes.
find it really stressful when it's an Indian
Yeah.
play. Like I was watching Lakshya Sen's semi-final. Because every point I'm like on edge.
Yes,
It's
yeah.
very nerve-wracking. And these guys go till like it's 20-11.
Yeah.
11-20 and he comes back from it getting 9 points. I'm like, why would you even put the effort when you're
Yeah.
down 9 points?
You can go home
Yeah.
right now, but no. Yeah.
Because that guy on the other side is really good. He won't give you 1 point
Yeah.
for free also. Every single point.
You have to win it. You have to win
it.
You know, but you recently, so as soon as you start playing badminton reels start coming up
Yeah, of
on your
course.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Algo
And like
learns.
how to do your backhand and stuff.
Yeah.
And then, they start showing you other things also. Like TT came up.
Yeah.
And TT is way more stressful.
Oh.
Yeah.
Than badminton is. Because
Yeah.
it's a small table.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
and
they're
they
far away.
smash.
And they keep taking it.
smash, and yeah.
Pickleball is even more stressful.
Pickle.
But not about the game, about like the responsibilities we have, which is why we are playing pickleball. Like,
Oh yeah, it's like it's a business thing.
Yeah,
Right? It's a
yeah.
networking game. You
Yeah,
just
so,
like,
yeah.
so is the pitch deck ready?
yeah.
It's not ready. Oh, net.
But I saw some table tennis thing where like they were talking about like this much torque is generated. Like it's like you see for like milliseconds, you see the ball and
Yeah.
it'll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's stuff where like it's comical when you're too good at TT. They just keep moving away from
Yeah.
the table
Yes.
further and
Yes.
further towards the
Yeah.
crowd, and then the hand is swinging from an angle.
Yeah.
It's like, come on, what are you doing?
Insane. That truly looked magical. मतलब physics मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहे थे TT
Yeah.
देखते वक्त.
Yeah.
मतलब badminton I still understand. I understand the dribble. I
Yeah.
understand all of that. But TT, genuinely, I was like, I don't want to watch this.
It's very painful to play TT
It's
when
tough to watch also.
It's
It's
very
not a
tough.
good sport.
That's why
sport
it's
to
not.
watch.
Yeah, it's not a watchable sport. You have to slow things down.
Yeah.
But also when someone's like you were saying, you had one spin, right? You said
I had a serve.
serve. Yeah.
What?
When someone has a crazy serve and you
Yeah.
can't counter it.
Yes.
It
Sleep
is
on
the
like
most irritating
Yeah.
game ever.
It
You're
is.
doing this, it's going here. You're
Yeah.
doing this, it's going here again. You lose 5 points back to back.
Yeah.
And it's humiliating.
Badminton में you have a serve.
No, in TT I had a serve.
TT,
But so right, I
oh.
had a serve. That's all I had. So when if someone returned it, gone.
That's it.
Now I'm like, yo, why did you do that, dude?
Yeah.
Why did you do that? We were having a fun thing right now.
You're like a serve specialist. You serve and leave. Someone else comes and continues the
That
point.
also is there for TT. No, it's alternate shots.
Yeah, then double.
This is so irritating.
Yeah,
But-
you have to go
yeah.
across for the serve also.
That alternate is just like every time I would crashed into my. So you're trying to run away
Yeah,
after your
that's
shot.
whenever you have to coordinate with another human next to you, it adds
doubles,
pressure.
nah? Yeah,
Doubles
yeah.
add so much pressure
It
to
does,
me.
it does. Yeah, single, it's fine. You
Yeah.
are still,
Yeah.
just giving yourself a pep talk. I've noticed this in doubles. Your partner will miss the shot, immediately look at you and give you feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you missed it.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
Maybe like, let's do this from now.
In TT or badminton?
Badminton.
In badminton, when I miss a shot, I know what to do. I just like play the string. I tighten the string
Huh.
on the
Yeah, it was a little bit deviated.
thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. I do that.
I just cry.
That's a great solution.
also-
You know, Govind, I was playing with Govind. Every time he misses a shot, he says, "Chee."
To himself.
So funny.
He's disgusted by his own performance.
But that also like I don't, it's not comparative, but when I play like FIFA and when like something like I do a bad mistake and if I just say, yeah, that's so bad, like it's like
Yeah.
something in me changes. So I'm like, oh, I can't disappoint myself also. So it's like one self-motivation thing also. So maybe that self-hate thing is.
Maybe, yeah. This
Yeah.
guy is very good at FIFA. So the one time, one time I beat him. I have it
You
on.
never beat me.
I did beat you. I have it on. I have it on video. I have it on video.
Oh, yeah. With a bad controller, yeah.
I always, that's all this you will see.
Yeah.
I have it on video that I beat him and I've retired. I will never play him again.
This is
Oh,
what.
that's a good strategy.
Yeah,
Huh?
I did it.
We
I
were talking
He
about
broke
FIFA
his
as in
PlayStation. Yeah.
PlayStation
Yeah.
FIFA you guys are talking about.
Oh, you thought football like
Yeah, I
real?
was like-
No, how do you beat a person in it alone?
Yeah.
It's a team sport.
Oh, yeah. I thought.
You thought we're talking about the organization, the most corrupt organization.
We were standing for election and I beat
Yeah.
him. I'm the new president of FIFA.
Dude, but like these guys, FIFA, most corrupt the
Most
world.
corrupt.
The
Really?
most.
Oh.
It's like they are like at the level like you're looking at. Okay, I don't want to say the words, but like
Yeah,
the
they're top.
Rothschilds kind of
Yeah,
level
yeah,
of
yeah,
corruption
yeah.
there. So they're doing the World Cup in
US.
US now,
Oh.
and Trump did not get Nobel Prize. So FIFA
Gave a
made
FIFA prize.
What?
FIFA Peace Prize.
Peace Prize, FIFA Peace Prize, and
Yeah.
gave it to Donald Trump. And Donald Trump was like,
Yeah.
"Man, it's a great moment." He gave an acceptance speech.
Yeah, he's the inaugural FIFA Peace Prize winner.
There's a FIFA
Yeah.
Peace Prize.
Yeah. It's when you don't kick a person that you want to kick him, but you don't. You keep peace. You're like,
What the actual they made
Yeah.
a peace
And they gave it to
prize
Trump because they had to do it.
in USA.
Yeah,
That's
to
so-
why.
appease him. Yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
FIFA.
Also, FIFA's last 3 World Cups now. It's Russia, Qatar,
Qatar.
and
US.
US. So
yeah.
you can see the kind of corruption just in their choices. Like it's all these kind
No,
of.
Qatar also, like, they had to invent a rule to play in Qatar. They had to
Yeah.
put water break.
Water break. Yeah.
Because it's so hot. People are playing at 50 degrees
They're like
centigrade
it's
and all.
bad publicity for us if a player dies 20 minutes into the game. So let's give a water break maybe.
No, I know कि बहुत ही controversy हुई थी ना in the Qatar one
Yeah,
where
yeah,
people
big
didn't
time.
like that it was in
The
Qatar.
stadiums were
Because
built
people
by...
were dying in the construction of the stadiums, which they do sometimes, but more than normal.
Yeah, and
But,
always dying from the same countries only.
Do you guys follow the World Cup when it happens, like the football
yeah.
World Cup, yeah, football, yeah.
And then your sleep schedule must be messed up.
Depends.
Because
Yeah, that's why Qatar was good for us.
Yeah.
That was one thing that was good. Even my dad said, "Hey, this is your chance. Go and watch a World Cup and come because it's right
Oh,
here. It will not
right,
happen
right.
again
Yeah.
like that." My dad went to Russia to watch.
To watch.
Yeah, he's a huge
Insane.
football
What
guy.
team does he support?
Argentina, like
And
every
you?
Bengali.
Really?
Yeah, Kerala and Bengal have like
Yeah,
Brazil,
yeah.
Argentina.
Brazil, Argentina.
Brazil, and you?
I have Brazil,
Brazil,
old
Brazil.
Brazil, but like now though it's
Yeah, now
gone.
I don't really support anyone.
It's gone.
I support for Messi. I support Argentina.
Yeah.
Basically.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
I was very happy. So my dad went and watched the
Russia.
FIFA. Yeah, he watched the semi-final. Did he watch the final also? I think it was the final also. The craziest final ever.
Which one?
Argentina.
That was Qatar.
Oh yeah, sorry. He was the previous.
Yeah,
he was the
yeah.
previous final. Croatia versus who was it? Croatia versus
France.
whoever they lost to.
France.
Croatia is good at
Croatia is
Yeah,
football.
Croatia is good. A lot of
I would have
itches.
never.
They are very good for the size of country they are.
Yeah.
There are some
Yeah.
countries like Uruguay has a population of 3 million and they are like they won 2 World Cups. Of course, they were the
First
first
two.
but still they won. And they have really good players.
They're really good, but I know that Brazil is supposed to be
Used
good.
to
Brazil
be.
is like
And Spain and all of these.
Yeah,
is
all
very
of
good.
Europe,
these. Yeah,
Europe
the whole of
fully-
Europe is
Germany,
good.
Spain, France, big Italy. Italy though sucks now, but they are very
They
good
used
normally.
to be good as well.
But yeah, I'm for the sleep cycle reasons. Yeah, please do it in Qatar. Do it.
Yeah, do it in
do it in
Dubai,
India. Do it
India.
in India, please. Firoz Shah
Yeah.
Kotla.
Wankede will
Wankede. Wankede mein aaya booth. Let's do it. Let's do it. The second sentence we don't say on camera.
What is the second one?
I did not watch Dhurandhar 1 or 2. I do not even understand the memes of the movie because I don't have
Not
any
getting the
context
reference.
of the. I love Twitter always they will put something which is really funny. Like for example, they put cylinder and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
like Dhurandhar like
Cylinder.
Yeah, cylinder, yeah.
And then like the fact that they rhyme, people are like peak
Yeah.
detailing,
Yeah.
peak detailing that it
So
rhymes.
they should have made it cylinder.
Cylinder.
That would have been the
Slide,
best.
that's the detailing.
Yeah.
They got wrong. But this is a good point that now, because memes are a way to build FOMO. That's what they do.
Yeah.
Because that subculture happens and they're like, I'm not getting anything. I gotta go watch this now. And
Yeah.
don't you feel that pressure to
You
watch
know,
it?
people are paying to make memes. Every every
Dhurandhar 1
Netflix show,
became popular
everything.
because that whole Akshay
Yeah.
Khanna, that dance, coos,
That
coos,
coos,
something, right?
coos,
Yeah.
That one was a seeded.
Yes.
That was seeded.
Yeah,
That was
seeded.
seeded.
But
And
they
then-
seeded it in my brain. That
Yeah.
song.
Yeah.
That song in the movie also, that song sounds killer.
It's like that, like you've seen these love stories in college where like a guy asks a girl out, she says no, and he keeps on asking her out.
Yeah.
And one time she'll say yes, and
Yeah.
then they live happily ever after, right? Same thing with me and Akshay Khanna. First time I saw, I was like, okay, it's normal.
Yeah.
Kept on going. I was like, oh, it's not bad. It's
Yeah.
very good. Huh?
It's working in
Yeah.
the background
Yeah.
in your brain.
Yeah.
You're just picturing him doing this dance.
No,
So
he
then-
was very good. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, in all of those memes, he was really like that Assalamu alaikum liari.
Yeah.
When मैंने कहा भाई, मतलब it's an actor's choice
Yeah.
to say certain things a
Correct.
certain way,
Correct.
and he was genuinely
Yeah.
No,
very,
he's a
very
good actor.
He's a good
But
actor.
I will say again, having watched the first part and his second part, he doesn't act in
Yeah.
because he's not there. But the first part, his acting is great, but it's also the easiest kind of role. He just has to he has to brood and be smoldering the whole film.
Yes.
It's the easiest thing to play.
Yeah.
He's just.
No, same. Even
that
Arjun
is Akshay
Rampal.
Khanna right there.
Arjun Rampal also same thing. They say
I mean-
great acting. What? You just have to be evil. Being
Because
evil is
he's
so easy.
very limited, right?
Being
as an
evil
actor.
is easy.
Yeah,
Being
like,
evil is the
yeah, हम
easiest.
कर लेंगे.
Also, they gave him a role where he literally puts hooks on a person's face and pulls it
Yeah.
off. You don't have to act. Once they give you that
Yeah.
part,
You're like,
people
I
know
wanna
he's
try it.
evil. He's evil.
Everything
Like,
I hear about Dhurandhar, I don't want to watch it for the violence part. I don't like violence in movie. Matlab I don't want to stop anyone.
Yeah.
You can make
Yeah.
the movies, you can watch the movies.
Yeah.
Personal opinion, I don't watch when there is just too much
Yeah.
violence.
Okay.
Every
Fair.
like the hook part, and then people were saying कि उन्होंने मतलब head से football खेला है FIFA, peace
Yeah,
FIFA.
yeah,
Will
FIFA
they
Peace Award, yeah.
they will definitely
In Dhurandhar 2,
they will definitely
Oh,
not
I
get
got
it.
it. Yeah.
I'm not comfortable with just those visuals.
It's fair. You
and
shouldn't
that is my one major reason to not
I'm
watch
off
it.
Twitter. I hardly use it. So I want to
I got-
understand your
huh.
usage of Twitter. Don't you get irritated? Don't
I
you get
do.
angered?
I do. I very, matlab, I started losing, I'm not kidding, I started losing sleep when the war escalated. Because then every minute they would update, and then half of it is propaganda, half of it is like official statements. And you don't even know what's
Which is which,
happening.
yeah.
So I did get off it for like a good week. Because I genuinely had like, what the is happening.
You're talking about US.
Yes, yeah, US.
Yeah.
But you know what happens
And updates
is...
come at night only because US time,
Yes.
right? Your World Cup.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh man, that's a problem.
No,
The FIFA Peace Prize winner drops a bomb at the worst hours for you. It's a world as a joke right now, the FIFA Peace Prize winners. But to be honest, the guy who Nobel Prize is named after invented dynamite.
Yeah.
So I mean, what can you
No
do?
problem.
Huh?
Yeah, no problem.
it is no, but yeah, I did scroll in the night a lot, and you know what happens is that you have slept with all of this news, so you wake up feeling really intense, and nobody around you is feeling the same.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
started also feeling like मैं थोड़ी सी पागल हो रही हूँ.
Yeah.
Because मैं अपनी मम्मी को ऐसी सारी चीजें बोलने लग गई कि
Yeah.
अब क्या होगा हमारा,
Yeah.
you have no clue what's going to happen.
Yeah.
And she was like, please just
Yes.
stop.
It's like you're doing
Yeah.
the exact thing that for motivation people listen to, like affirmations to go to
Yes.
bed.
Yes.
So overnight they say you dream
Yes.
up positive
Yes.
But I think
things.
it's true also.
Yeah, it probably happens.
yeah.
And you are making your synapses are making horrible connections at night, and
Yeah.
you're waking up with a new sense of regret and foreboding.
No, because I used to, when I to sleep, I read. So it is okay. Before I used to watch true crime documentaries to sleep. And I used to always wake up like startled, like
Wake up like a victim.
like oh my god, police is here, right?
I watch true crime documentaries also, and Bridgerton. It's like
Wow,
it's
Bridgerton
just
and true crime.
What is
Which
the
a bigger
fit?
crime?
I don't know about Bridgerton. What is Bridgerton about?
It's a royal, like
Yeah.
a Victorian love story.
Oh, it's love story.
Yeah, from the Regency era, and it's of course.
Is it like edgy? It's like meant to be like
yeah,
racy.
it's very erotic.
Racy,
Erotic,
yeah.
Racy.
Racy, racy.
Not the
Race.
not race Sasoki, but
That's also quite racy.
That is racy.
It's just racy. Abbas Mastan directing
Abbas
sex
Mastan.
scenes.
Dude, I love the race too. I keep telling.
Dang, dang, dang,
Yeah,
dang.
they just put a dialogue where he's like, where everything is
Yeah,
whatever
twisting, right?
twisted, and then they put the music.
Yeah.
तुम जो सोच रहे थे,
Yes.
मैं कभी बोल भी नहीं सकता,
Ding,
पर
ding,
मैंने
ding,
जो
ding.
बोला तुम्हारी सोच में भी नहीं आया होगा.
Ding, 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 ding. And the other guy will do a flip.
Samala,
Ding, ding, ding.
Malale. They just keep when the woman is going a thing, they're putting that music.
Yeah,
the
the
woman killer music.
Mediterranean whale.
Yes, yes.
How many
yes,
times will you
yes.
flip me around, dude? I'm like upside down by the end
Yes.
of race.
And the whole movie you watch, it's all the countries that are good at football. All the countries are there. Spain, Portugal,
Yeah, it's like the top FIFA Peace Prize again.
Whatever, the Euro Cup.
Argentina.
And it's so glitzy. It's like a shallow, well-made shallow film.
Oh,
It's-
yes.
We don't go deep into anything. We're
Yes, yes.
swimming on the surface, but it's a nice pool.
Yeah. Before you want to go deep, you're going forward.
Yeah,
right?
we're going to keep going
Yeah.
forward.
Yes, yes.
You
yes.
never die. If you dive, you'll break your face.
Yeah.
It's a shallow pool.
Run.
Just slide over the whole thing.
Yeah,
Akshay
Race
Khanna
was
was in
nice.
that also,
Huh?
right?
Yeah, Akshay Khanna was in that as
Oh,
well.
first part.
Katrina.
First part,
Akshay
race.
Khanna.
Akshay
Akshay
Khanna.
Khanna, yeah.
He was a negative character in that
He was the
movie
brother,
also.
Saif's
Yeah.
brother.
Saif Ali
Yeah.
Khan's brother. But being an actor back then in Bollywood must be like so good, like 6 locations.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
what a fun
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
What a
Yeah,
fun time.
dude, wouldn't the actors have protested the green screen? Like, that would have been like a big
Yeah,
thing
for them, like
right?
a
They were
huge
like,
perk is gone.
Yeah.
Like, we don't have to
Yeah,
fly
yeah.
there anymore.
Yeah, just have to do Switzerland over here itself.
But Bollywood, they still don't do green screen much because they don't do it well. Like whenever it's green screen, you still
You can see.
you can see it.
Yeah, because in Hollywood, I don't know, in Bollywood, Hollywood also now it has become this thing where like they build little of the world.
Yeah.
And then behind, the green
Yeah,
screen
it's
little
a
behind.
augmented thing. It's
Yeah.
like behind. It's like
So you kind of get tricked with, it's like when you get, you see all these movies where they send money and the first few notes are correct, but the rest are all fake, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
that now.
you just that's not peak detailing.
Yeah.
That is just the right amount of detailing. It's not Lord of the Rings detailing. Like in Lord of the Rings, every orc is actually wearing armor which is made of the actual material that it says in the book. That's the
but
level
that's
of
a
detailing.
fictional material.
Yeah, but as in whatever. That's what he would have wanted. It's an insane amount of detailing.
This is made of adamantium and
Yeah.
corrosion. It's just plastic. like, but
No, but it's like real heavy and that's like a
okay,
whole
it makes
thing.
them feel like they're like running.
but
with
for
that.
us, they could have done that with less money and
Yeah.
much more practically, but
Bro.
they didn't.
They didn't because art.
Art.
They committed
Art.
to it.
They
And they won
committed.
13 Academy Awards for one film, so they should be pretty. It paid off. It paid off in
Yeah.
the end. But it could have not. It could have bombed and then people
Yeah,
be
yeah,
like,
yeah.
If that guy had said that ballet is shit.
Oh, yeah.
Peter
right before
Jackson.
the award, if Peter Jackson said ballet is shit.
Something about Timothy is just very unlike. Don't you guys think it's something
He-
about him
he's
is
become
very
more
unlikable?
unlikable.
Yeah, he has become Kardashian.
That's the reason. No? He's dating a Kardashian.
Because of Kylie, you're saying that.
Yeah.
Kylie Jenner.
Kylie Jenner, isolated from Timothy, I like her.
Yeah.
Together, very hateable
Villain
for some
couple. They're a
reason.
villain-
God knows
villain
why.
vibes.
Yeah.
But I'm a huge Timothy Chalamet
No,
fan.
but he had a lot of other problematic things, right? About women. He said that like women should be able to bear children and all.
Did he say that?
Yeah.
When was this?
I mean, like, dude, I don't have.
One thing I was saying.
Animal. Was he an animal?
He went too method. I think he worked too hard, went too method, and then he became like, now I'm awesome.
But I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
all the films that this streak he's on, most of them are negative roles, except
Yeah,
the Bob
Dune.
Dylan thing. And Dune 3 is like supposedly like that's the pinnacle
Yeah.
of That's Dune Messiah, where he
Yeah.
becomes evil,
Yeah,
full evil.
okay.
Really?
Yeah,
I've
he's
not
gonna
watched.
be full evil.
Dune, he's going to be evil and
Yeah.
he's the Rahman, the cat of the
That's
Dune
right.
universe.
There is gonna be one
Goose,
goose. That's how you get
The
viral.
backdrop is perfect.
It's
for it.
perfect. With some aliens, he's gonna be
That's right.
dancing.
Like whenever, like now there's so much pressure in Bollywood, right? Like to make the next movie.
Yeah.
There's going to be one big bomb that has to come now because
Yeah,
Dhurandhar
yeah,
like has to pile on,
Can't
right?
follow that. And also, nothing's working like this formula right
Yeah.
now. Super
So-
graphic violence, nationalism combo.
Pure nationalism, like
Nothing
just
works like
fucking
that.
no
Nothing.
ethanol.
Sayara worked, but also, I mean, a
Sayara.
rom-com working like that was like a very good thing for Bollywood.
Hmm.
And just in general, I think people got a very good Bollywood movie because Sayara was not a bad movie. It
Oh
was
yeah,
a
I
good
want
movie.
to know. I've not watched it.
You've not watched? I've also not watched it.
What you're like? Even that has violence. Even
Have
love
you-
is violence.
Have you
for-
seriously not watched it?
I've not watched it.
I thought you. Then why are you supporting it? You've heard it's a good movie.
I've heard it's a good movie. Like all my friends watched it and they all liked it. You know, I've lost patience to watch movie like 3 hours, like sitting in
Sayara's
theater.
3 hours?
I'm
It
sure.
is a long movie. It's a
gotta be.
long one.
It's-
Yeah.
But I heard it's melodrama, right?
It is. It's a lot of. It's. She has Alzheimer in the movie. Like the girl.
So she-
apparently,
so
like
she
She
forgets.
forgets to act.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the. It's like a
Yeah.
Fault in Our Stars. kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
but
yeah.
not like
the big C.
not the big C.
It's just A. But yeah, I can't do melodrama, man.
You
I
can't
just
do-
hate melodrama. In fact, I was watching. I haven't watched many, but I was watching some Imran Hashmi movie once, and I liked it because he doesn't do melodrama. He's just like a guy talking, which seems weird in that era of Bollywood. If you go see Imran Hashmi movie, I'm like, hey, this guy's just straight talking.
Yeah.
He's not doing any over the top tears falling down the face.
But isn't that Sayara trope? Isn't that the oldest trope? Like the guy whose music was not recognized,
Yes.
like his art
Yes,
was
yes,
this one,
yes.
and only
The
one girl
music.
can see it, but
Yeah.
she has a disease.
Yeah, of course she does.
She also forgot about it.
She has a disease. She has poor taste. She thinks his music is good. Oh, also she has Alzheimer's.
You know, it is an old trait, but the whole musicians are cool, and we want to sleep with musicians will never die, right?
Of
Because
course.
they'll always be.
I mean,
the,
that'll be cool forever.
always
Being
But
a
I
musician.
think with the like, don't you think like now there's the live music playing is getting over.
It's dying out.
Right
that
now you
industry.
have these guys.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
have the-
Fred
as
again, my
girls,
favorite.
As a representative of the women folk, do you want to sleep with a guy?
laptop is given.
That's right. IT industry and music industry have merged. So that's the future now. It's a techie. A techie is a DJ, like a musician now. Straight from, you know.
But that guy, have you seen that in Goa? One DJ who is shirtless,
Yes, yes,
DJ
yes.
Aero or something.
Yes,
With the girls going
yeah,
crazy.
just girls, just
Yes.
like
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah, that's all paid. That's all paid stuff also. Like he's
Everywhere seeding, man. They're
seeding.
tricking us.
It's seeding.
You know, every time the comments are same, someone's future mother,
Yeah.
someone's future wife.
Yeah, which is like, what's your problem? Dude? You worry about your mother.
Yeah, where's your mother? yeah.
She's
Yeah, yeah,
right
yeah,
in the
yeah.
background.
Yeah. Seriously. People don't want anyone to have fun.
Yeah, and it's just like, yeah.
But also that's fake. I'm pretty
Damn,
sure.
yeah, it can't
All
be.
his videos make me uncomfortable because he's just shirtless in
Yeah.
all of them.
Why are you shirtless? Like, can you hear the music better when you're shirtless? Like, what? He doesn't want the
Just being a
shirt to get in the
ribcage.
way.
Correct.
The
CJ,
reverb.
my request is that you put on a shirt.
I know. DJs is working out all day. It's annoying. But you know, for people who are not like into music, a DJ and a music producer, they're actually two different things.
Right.
And if you call a music producer a DJ, they'll take offense. Because being a DJ is more like a glorified version of making a playlist.
Yeah,
Right.
mixer. huh?
And like putting, it's not just yours, it's like street jokes. If you tell
Yeah.
street
Right,
jokes,
right,
it's
right,
not my joke. So you take someone else's, but it's who can get the perfect
Yeah.
alignment
Rhythm.
of songs and the tempo flows,
Yeah.
where it never feels weird
Yeah.
to jump from one to another. That's the skill.
Yeah.
So that's more like a party, like the guy who's running the party.
Okay.
Right.
But a music producer is making music.
Yeah.
Like if you call
Fred again, a DJ.
Fred again, a DJ, he won't enjoy it. The Dead Mouse, for
Yeah.
example, was a big. He was very vocal. He's like, I'm a music producer.
Yeah.
Someone called him a DJ.
Yeah.
Shut up. I don't f***ing DJ. That's like what you pay a guy like a corporate gig
Yeah.
amount. And like some Bollywood star I saw recently was DJing?
I think
Oh,
Arjun
Abhay,
Rampal.
no,
Arjun
no.
Rampal DJs.
Arjun
no?
Rampal DJs?
Yeah,
Bobby
yeah.
Deol.
Bobby Deol was DJing?
One of the Deol's DJs.
It can't
I'm
be Sunny
sure.
Deol. It has to
It
be
can't
Bobby.
be Sunny Deol.
Sunny Deol does not
It can't
DJ.
be Sunny Deol.
Hey, Abhay, of course it could be. Abhay
Yeah, it
maybe.
could be Abhay
But
Deol.
Bobby-
I think Bobby Deol DJs.
he would also be shirtless.
Yeah.
Bobby Deol's return has been without a shirt, basically.
Yeah. Pure
scary.
shirtless return.
Bobby
Bobby
Deol-
Deol, yeah. Bobby Deol also became a meme.
Yeah.
And then like he was like, oh God, we want him back. And then he did the Bands of Bollywood,
Yeah.
which
Yeah,
people
Animal
really
before
loved.
that,
He did
though.
Animal.
Animal,
How could
yeah.
I forget? Yes,
That's
yes,
what
yes.
that was his comeback. And
Yeah.
that him also they did that seeding with that song. The famous
Yeah.
Jamal
That sounds like a
Jamal Kudu.
kids song, no?
Yeah.
You know,
a
it's so
killer.
funny because he was memed before the movie. The movie got a lot of hate. Ranbir Kapoor got a lot of hate. Only Bobby Deol did not get
Yeah.
hate. They were like,
Yeah.
we'll
You
still
don't kick
watch.
a man when he's down, right?
Yeah, yeah.
No, we were saying like he stayed the same. The movie came to where Bobby Deol
Yeah.
is. Acting wise, they came to his level. Suddenly he's looking fine. He's playing the same role everywhere. Bads also, he's just got his eyebrows up and
Yeah.
he's drinking whiskey. That's his role. He's smoking and drinking.
He's
Yeah.
smoking. Yeah, he's just chilling on the set and they just shoot the movie around.
They don't even have like.
No vanity, man. It's like, that's not up with the vanity.
They're
That's
like
it.
he's just doing his thing. They're like, "Chalo, pack up for Khatam." They've got his shot.
Because you guys watch Bats. I mean, बहुत पुरानी
I
conversation.
watched.
But it was. I found it funny, like a proper. Like
It was
a lot
funny.
Of, lot
Parts
of
of it I
jokes.
liked. I
No,
to like
I have a
that.
problem with DJs and guitarists.
Really, you do.
As a former guitarist and future DJ, I am offended. I will definitely do
Dude,
a
future
D-
DJ will be the worst.
DJ
like-
Future, that's my
DJ
name.
Future, yeah. DJ Future would be great.
But I liked it because Manoj Bhava and Neville Barucha,
Oh, Neville Barucha was
they
in it.
literally look like the two most different humans can
Yeah.
look. Two
Yes.
humans, like one guy is all round and one guy is pure angles.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's angles and no
Yeah.
angles
Yes,
kind of
yes,
thing.
yes,
It's
yes.
like,
But I think they were very, as a series, they were very aware. As in, like the jokes were very meta sometimes, which I genuinely liked.
You're an insider, Bollywood insider also, right?
Yeah.
You know
No, not really. I'm a writer, but I don't think you can ever be Bollywood insider. Like they are so,
you have to be born into
they
it.
have to be born into it for
You
sure.
are always in the
100%.
outside, the inside of the outside.
Yeah.
I mean,
Max.
Shah Rukh Khan still calls himself an outsider.
Oh, yeah, I mean.
That's so funny. That's like Bill Gates calling himself a computer outsider. Like, I don't know
That's the
much
IT
about
guy.
IT. No, you're very much the thing. You're the center of this universe. Yeah, it was not bad. I think it's also like it's relative. Everything's relative. There was no show like that.
Oh, I think
Who
one
said
of my
that
favorite
first?
scientists.
Who said that first?
Stephen Hawking
Charlie
said that.
Chaplin. He didn't say it. They wrote it in words
Yeah.
after he acted it out. But you don't get it in India, right?
Yeah, in India.
As in officially.
And yeah. So, I don't know, diplomatic channels.
That's
Mallu
good.
and Mallu violence.
Nice. We can talk about it because we don't know what we're talking about. So that's not on camera.
Yeah. It's one of those things where, like, if you say it's illegal, people are like, really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
also illegal.
It's shocking that it's illegal.
Huh.
It genuinely is shocking that
Yeah.
this is illegal.
Because it's so nicely packaged also. It
This
looks
is illegal and gutka isn't.
Yes.
Insane.
Because gutka, if you have it, means kadmo mein dunya comes.
That's right.
There's this one, no kadmo dunya.
No, Kadam.
Zuba Kesari.
In this one, when you take a step, you fall down.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
dunya is not even below your feet anymore.
Dude, the hating of a person is so weird if you think about it. This Zuba Kesari ad is done by Shah Rukh and Ajay Devgan. But only Ajay Devgan gets the hate or like is known as memed for the
Yeah.
whole,
Yeah.
and then this for a
But because
somehow.
he's the big
Face.
he's the face.
He's the face.
Was with Vimal from when they
Beginning.
were just
Yeah.
an idea in someone's eye, a glint in the eye of a future billionaire.
Ajay Devgan's thinking like this, and that guy's like, hey,
Yeah.
like this. Yeah.
He's literally worked his body into a V shape now. He is the brand. Now.
Yeah. And he's not unapologetic. He's not apologetic about it.
Yeah.
Everyone else was. Like Shah Rukh also was, and
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar also.
You know
was
what I
like,
like? I like, and Ajay Devgn and Shah Rukh both are in this category. They admit they are smokers. Like
Yeah, they
they,
are.
in Bollywood, there's this whole thing of acting like we're all dumb, clean image, but they do. All of them are smokers. All of them are heavy drinkers. Like Sanjay Dutt also. He's like he's not gonna lie. That
Yeah.
he's it's insane to lie.
he has bigger things to lie about.
Yeah. These small lies distract from the bigger
Yeah, like,
ones.
I smoke. Yeah, I smoke.
Yeah.
So I smoke, I drink.
And Bhai, of course, we know.
Yeah.
Bhai, little bit.
Bhai is a
image-
little eco-friendly.
He's keeping his image a little clean.
Yeah.
And he just goes to farmhouse to do cardio. That's all.
Cardio.
He just goes there for a run. For a run. He gets the heart rate up and he comes back.
That whole apartments is his, Galaxy Apartments.
The whole
No.
galaxy is his.
That is true. For a lot of people, the whole
He
time.
is my galaxy. No, yeah, the whole apartment is only the top
I think
floor.
that just at
That
whatever.
is sweet.
Yeah.
Man, imagine living in Galaxy Apartments.
Like being his
otherwise.
neighbor.
Yeah, neighbor, right? It's
Insane.
annoying.
Difficult, huh?
Yeah.
Difficult life.
Maintenance won't come on time for sure. Lift door will be open, half open and kept. So you have to go
Oh,
down and you have to
man.
put it like this.
Yeah, I have to imagine ringing his bell and being like, keep it down.
Yeah,
thoda,
oh my
please.
God.
And he's
And
like,
then you
Maybe
always
that's why he bought his farmhouse, because neighbors were
people
complaining.
were
consider
neighbors.
it.
Yeah.
Where is his farmhouse?
Panvel. Everyone knows this.
I don't even know where Panvel
Oh, yeah.
is.
That's right,
Everyone
Panvel.
knows that it's in Panvel.
Panvel.
You know, in lockdown, he was there. And then he had to, it became a whole thing that you'll be away from the hospital. I don't know why I know so much about this, because whatever news was circulating,
Yeah.
it just became your whole life.
Yeah,
Like the whole day was, oh, aaj maine
Yeah.
ye padha.
Today is that.
Today's
News cycle goes from waking up to sleeping.
Yeah.
Just news.
That's it. You
Oh.
guys remember early days of lockdown was so much fun.
The first few days when you're like, surely this will open up any day.
Yes.
Yeah.
That time it was fun.
It was fun.
And
It was
then it
very
was not.
Dalgona coffee. And now I have trauma. Whenever people bring up anything from that period,
I won't. I'm just putting this on record. If there's any lockdown again, police, you can arrest me on the streets. I will be outside. I'm not going to go into lockdown again.
No, man.
I won't do
I
it.
want one more lockdown.
You want one? Why?
Yeah.
Really?
But, like, I want to see, because the thing is that, like, I like lockdown. The thing I like about lockdown is nobody can work. Then I'm not working, I have no problem. Like, I don't
Right.
like taking a holiday, because then I know that someone I know is
Oh.
doing some work. And
I have no such problem. I'm
So-
happy to hear that today I am the most unproductive person on earth.
Last time, like, now when I think about lockdown, I'm like, man, I could have done so much more during that time.
That
So
is
now
the
I'm prepared
for,
for
sure.
it.
That's
Yeah,
the-
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
so you want a lockdown so you can be more productive.
Like someone who lived through World War II and lockdown would have been very productive for him, because they saw World War II and they were like, oh, that's also lockdown only.
So you
So-
want a war. That's what
Yeah,
you're
so
saying.
let's say right, you get only one lockdown per lifetime.
It's over for us.
Yeah, unless
You wasted it. Oh,
unless
the second time. Redemption. This is the redemption lockdown. Redeem team.
people on Twitter write every day there's going to be a lockdown. It's coming. It's soon. Loading. And I just shut
The
up.
bar which is reach 85.
But you don't want a lockdown, Sumera? Come on.
I don't want it. You know what? I realized one very important thing about motivation is that it doesn't come to you when nobody is working. Like, you genuinely don't want to. You just genuinely are just like, mujhe, like, you don't even want to work out. I've realized working out also is because you're meeting people. You're like, yeah, I've got to be in shape because I'm meeting 15 people. I'm at
Yeah.
home. I'm like, who gives a
When
Yeah.
there's no end in sight for a lockdown, you're like, what am I doing this? What an idiot I am for doing jumping jacks inside my house.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
am I doing here?
Yeah.
Alone at home. So stupid.
Yeah. I've realized I just want to be hot for other people.
That's good. That's
Yes.
respectable. As opposed to just being for yourself, which is a futile.
Yeah, that is
pursuit.
like, that's how you become like a man does that, gets into manosphere. When you try to be hot for yourself,
Yeah.
where like, I'm the best, you
Right.
become an Andrew Tate.
Yeah, unless you win like a bodybuilding championship,
Yeah.
it's a pointless.
But those guys
pursuit.
are not that good looking also.
No, they're just body is considered aesthetic. It's considered.
Yeah.
I'm
You
not.
know, they put up on, sorry, I have a lot of this Twitter knowledge.
Please. We need it.
Yeah, Twitter or Instagram, wherever, they'll always put two bodies. Like it will be, one will be like a dad bod and the other one would be like a very ripped guy.
Yes.
A and B, and they'll say, girls, who do you want?
Yeah.
And
So what is the answer?
All the
women-
comments are like the dad bod.
The dad bod.
Yeah.
We want the A, like a lion. He looks like a lion. The first one looks so good, and the
that's
second one,
true.
people are like, no. So that's the thing. Women gaze is different, and male gaze is
But
different.
So
us-
women like dad bods.
Yeah.
But are some of those women DMing the other bod guy and just like in public they're like dad bod, but actually
No.
No? You're
It's
saying women
not
actually like
attractive.
the-
A lot of muscles. It just makes you look very robot like.
Yeah.
So it's not.
So okay,
very,
let's talk about the aesthetics of it and
The
let's,
female gaze.
some examples. Like
Yeah.
the famous one that men use for in the
Good
Hollywood
body,
was
yeah.
Brad Pitt in Fight Club.
Right.
That's I think women like that kind
Yeah,
of
he's a
fitness.
skinny guy who has muscles. But
Yeah.
then, there are people like Thor.
Yeah.
He
Ah,
has
Chris
two,
Hemsworth.
Two, but Chris
Aquaman is
Hemsworth.
Aquaman guy was
Jason
like big.
Momoa.
Oh yeah,
big.
Aquaman guy. Yeah, but he's
But he's
tall also.
sort of like between the two bodies. Like he's also sometimes little dad bod. Like he lets the he doesn't get like the six pack.
Yeah.
He's just like it's there somewhere inside hidden,
Ah.
but little layer of
I think the hair also adds to it.
Yeah, he's
like
a bit
he's
of
like
a-
very like tribal.
tribal and
See, you guys love him.
No, I don't like him. I don't like him. Only underwater I like him.
Underwater,
yeah, when no one,
not
the
a
world is not
threat.
seeing.
He can
I'll
sink.
like,
He's
Jason Momoa. That's how.
over water. Like stay away from me, bro.
Yeah. Dude, his second name is like a kiss only. Jason Momoa.
Mwah. Mwah. That's so true, actually.
Jason. Mwah. Men really idolize bodies which are so like you can't attain this. Like on the
Unattainable.
internet, people are just like
Off men,
"Bhai."
you're saying,
Yeah,
but-
off men. Like, bhai, this
Women
is
also,
so
the bodies
good.
we,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't unattainable.
We
women's
only
bodies.
idolize the unattainable bodies in all senses.
In all senses.
But I think what you're saying, maybe it's women like men who don't look like ripped, while dressed, like fully dressed, like fully shirted. Like with the shirt on, it shouldn't look like, oh my god, this guy is bulky. Like Brad Pitt looks like a normal, relatively normal body he has.
Right.
But it's hidden.
See, but if you're very ripped, even when you're wearing a
Yeah,
shirt, the
it'll-
guy
That's
will
what-
stand
yeah.
like this.
Yeah,
they,
that's
they
what you
sleep
don't
like
like.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like a balloon.
They can't scratch their own back. Like they need a
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
So they need that
Yeah.
scratcher.
That's why I
Yeah.
don't.
You know
work
what
out
men
that hard.
love about these men? They're like, oh, incredible discipline.
Yeah.
So much discipline. And I'm like, yeah, but nobody, like, women usually don't
You're
like
disciplined
to-
because no one wants to sleep with you. That's why you can sleep early.
Why not apply this discipline to your relationship with other people or just emotional growth? No, I am very disciplined about picking up a heavy thing and putting it back.
Swinging a kettlebell for my
Yeah.
groin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Kettlebell swings. If you do kettlebell swings, then you can become the king of the world. That's what they're saying
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
If you do kettlebell swings, that's all you need.
That's what nowadays it's all that kind of reels I get. Like with one kettlebell, you can be like
Yeah.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
How to learn
Yeah.
Excel with one kettlebell.
Yeah.
Every skill with one kettlebell.
One kettlebell
they're
you can
doing.
do.
Yeah.
It's a fad.
One exercise, 4 exercises. Yeah.
Home workouts is a never-ending abyss of material and content because I also use it.
Yes.
Every day I'm bored. I'm like, okay, let's see some other guys same
Yeah.
workout.
Yeah.
Yes. There are only these many movements you can do with the body.
With your body,
But
that's
it's like
true.
this guy's balcony looks nice.
And
He's
at
doing
the
it in a nice
start,
balcony.
Start of the year, you'll get that. From today,
Yeah.
3 months.
Yeah, give me
just
3
do
months.
this, Six pack you'll get.
Give
And it'll be
me
like
3 months.
150 crunches per day.
Yes.
Yo,
150 crunches, don't breathe during them.
Yeah.
Then you can get ripped.
Yeah, whole chicken you have to eat with the
Yeah.
feathers.
With the
Yeah.
feathers.
Everything.
You're wasting good nutrients. The feather has most of the
Protein, most of the protein.
beta protein compounds.
Everything.
That'd be hilarious. You see a bodybuilder with a feather over here.
Yeah. Just a guy like,
Like
ripped.
there's something over here. You're like, oh, it's a feather. Oh, okay.
It's like still alive. He's just alive.
No, but like chicken breast, they all say chicken breast, right?
It's less fatty. It's more muscle.
It's the shittiest part of the chicken.
Of course, yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
sure.
I mean, of the edible chicken.
Yeah. I firstly, it's not a breast. I don't like that it's called a
Yeah,
breast.
it's a chest.
I've never seen a chicken
It's a peck.
suckling its young. So why is it a breast then?
Jesus.
It's not a breast. Don't. It's false advertising.
It's a chicken chest. It's a chest.
Sure, it's chicken, what we call breast, that area. But for the
chicken dirty area. Top part and bottom part.
chicken naughty parts.
No, but that's all right. Chicken thigh, which is even more sexual, right?
Yes.
Which is the better one. And like, it's like I get upset when like chicken thigh is not there. I'm like, the chicken thigh is not there.
But so now
the
the
South Indian in me is coming out where like I'm going for the thigh only.
chicken belly,
Chicken navel and chicken
chicken
thigh.
navel. Oh my
Chicken
god!
item song I want now.
Just disgusting. There is the correlation there. There's a underlying sexualizing of food also that happens.
Yeah.
Oh my god, decadent. Ugh.
Yeah.
All that shit.
Yeah.
Dude, that guy, we both watched the same guy, Chef Merwan.
Who is
Right?
he?
He's one guy,
And
Parsi guy.
Parsi guy.
He's an American
Parsi guy.
American Parsi guy who comes to India. He comes to Delhi
Yeah.
and to some street food random place where like he's like every part of it he's just like amazed by it. He's like, wow, look at the chicken.
Yeah,
What
it's
is like
he's
rats running everywhere. No problem.
He's
okay.
orgasming, but the cameras are like super HD and the kebab just looks like I almost bite my TV screen.
Yeah.
I'm just salivating. I'm salivating.
And the way he eats, you feel bad for him. Where like he's like
Yeah.
so
Oh
good.
my
I'm like,
god.
oh my
Oh
god,
my
dude.
god,
Like-
this is so goddamn good.
And he comes to India like every time and he'll do this.
He
He'll
does
shoot
like
this
he comes for a
content.
few months and
few
he
months
eats
and
everywhere.
does all these things.
All of these
He goes
things.
to all full Jama Masjid area. He'll go have
He must
whatever.
be known over there.
Yeah.
Islam
so by
chicken
now.
or-
Places where you can watch.
Yeah,
You-
open air.
Yeah, you can watch.
But you have to have it open air because it's the amount of heat generated has to radiate out somewhere.
Yeah.
And everything he spins it positive. It's like there's a place where like they're doing tandoor, so it's hot. He's like, it's so hot. I can feel the food being cooked here.
He
I'm
puts
like,
a positive spin. That's nice. He
But I
does
would
a
like
nice
to know
thing.
what his honest opinion is. I mean, I know the food in food
It's
in
too
general
good.
is too good.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
no
kebabs are just
doubt,
nothing
no
beats a
doubt.
kebab, man.
No,
It's
no,
the
no,
best
no, no.
food ever.
Yeah.
It really is. What is
It
better
really
than
is.
kebab?
It
Like a
really
good
is.
kebab. What's your favorite food ever?
favorite food ever. I mean, it'll be like Mediterranean stuff only.
Oh, really?
Little hummus.
I also like
Oh.
hummus and all
I
that.
love
a lot.
hummus, but
Yeah.
number one, come on. It's like a sheikh kebab, a really good sheikh kebab. I'm crazy about.
Number one good food would be something like this
Mediterranean
only,
kebab
you
is
know?
Mediterranean only.
Yeah, but Mediterranean is like less spicy version of that. It's little blander. I like it.
Yeah.
It's good for you also. It's
Huh.
healthy. They're saying if you eat Mediterranean diet, you'll never die. Apparently.
Really?
You can just live forever.
That's probably what US realize now. These Iranians
It's
are
not
not
enough.
dying.
No, listen. If you're eating, if you're on Mediterranean diet and a missile falls on you, you still die. You don't like outlive the missile.
You
Man,
know,
this-
you've seen the controversy whenever Israel puts a food platter and they're like our food and people are like all of it is Palestine.
Yeah.
All of it, like not one single thing.
that's
And they
true.
can't pronounce some because most of them are just white people, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
So they
moved
can't
there.
pronounce some names and then people will come and correct them saying you have to say you're not saying it. You're
Yeah.
not saying it.
Yeah, that's
but
true,
yeah.
that's
But you know
Israeli
why,
food.
one opinion I have about Sikh kebabs is that I've eaten the tunde kebab in Lucknow.
Ah.
And I've-
Galauti.
Yeah, the galauti. And then
Galauti,
I've
okay.
had it in Delhi and I think this is my opinion. You don't need to go to Lucknow.
Yeah.
I agree. I agree.
You can eat in Delhi and
Yeah.
it's
I
just...
agree. It's not like the difference is not so
It's
much
not
that
a lot.
let me go to
Yeah.
Lucknow. It's not
Yeah.
the let me go to Lucknow difference.
Should take about to back to airport.
You know what they need to do in Lucknow? They need to do what Chandigarh has done with chaat. You can buy chaat inside the Chandigarh airport. The moment you come down from the
That's so
escalator,
good.
there is a chaat place.
That's so
and
good.
I saw Piyush Mishra eating chaat there. He was in the
Yeah.
flight with me and he ate chaat there once. But I'm saying do that with Lucknow and kebab. Let me have kebab in your airport in the AC and then straight flight back.
But Lucknow tunde kebab is very cheap.
That's true.
It's like they
but
give
going
it-
to Lucknow is in the
Yeah, it's
cost.
expensive.
But has had a very short experience of lockdown again recently. I know you've spoken about it on other podcasts, but in a reality show
Yes!
for like 2 days you were locked down.
Yes,
The
I was
50.
2 days. 2 days I was there, the 50. It was so it's a captive reality show.
Yes.
And captive means Big Boss. Basically, where
Yeah.
they take your phone away, you can't contact anyone. You can't do anything. Basically, they lock the door and you're in there with these people, which are contestants, and you won't see Big Boss. You don't even see production people.
Yeah.
50 was better that way. You would see a strange human being sometimes.
Okay.
But in those 2 days, I've realized one thing is that it's so difficult mentally. Like there were times in the day where for hours, like 1 hour, I would just be like I've disassociated completely, staring at like some carpet or something, and then there are just people moving around me and fighting and like walking.
Oh, just trying to get on the.
Get on the main
camera.
feed. Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm better than them. I do my job.
Yeah.
This is not my job.
Yeah, they are playing the game. They are
They are
playing
doing
the game.
what they do.
Yeah, they realize they are the real deal in terms of like they are in it to win it kind of
They
situation.
really care, and they are not mentally bogged down by this.
Hmm.
But I feel someone who
You're phrasing it in such a complimentary way to them.
Yeah. No, but how do they eliminate?
how do they? It's like contestants eliminate within matlab each other.
Oh,
हाँ.
so what did you do to get eliminated first?
I saw it on screen. They show it to you on screen. Why they're eliminating you? They all got up and they're like, "इस मैरा को कोई नहीं जानता, इसको निकाल देते हैं."
Oh.
आज इसको निकाल. Basically, they're
It's a
like,
non-controversial vote out. So they're like, okay, we'll start thinking from next time. Like we
Yes.
have an easy option.
Yeah.
yes. I thought they'll do the opposite. I don't know why I thought that they will first.
Yeah, keep the docile people.
Yeah, I
in.
thought.
Yeah,
But you
and,
can't convince enough people to come
Yeah.
together with that idea.
Yeah.
On that idea.
Yeah, and I was so I didn't get a chance only to play my game or whatever. But also I realized my mom was like, "तुमको एक दो दिन मिलता तो शायद हो जाता," and I was like, "No." I would have sat more hours looking at the carpet only, thinking about all the comics जो मुझे गालियाँ देंगे भर जाते.
But who won it finally?
Still on, right?
No, Shiv Thakre won. He won. You
Okay.
guys don't know who Shiv Thakre is, of course. I said.
Is he
it
from
to
that
him.
family?
He is from no.
Okay.
Shiv won Big Boss. I feel. Yeah, he won Big Boss.
He's the second one.
The third reality show, no, fourth or fifth. He's
Oh,
done
this is like
many.
the what do you call that? EGOT of reality shows.
They were
Emmy,
all doing
Grammy,
it.
Oh.
Emmy, Grammy.
Grammy, Oscar, Tony.
Yes.
It's like Big Boss now. The 50. What else? Splitsvilla.
Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Khatro Ke
Splits
Khiladi.
is yeah.
separate.
So roadies. So they have a whole map. Which we
Map.
have discussed in other podcasts also. They have a map. So
Yeah.
you come from Splitsvilla, you come from roadies. Then you do Khatro Ke Khiladi,
Why
you
is
do
it
Big
there?
Boss.
Because younger people are there. Why is it roadies and Splitsvilla first?
Why
They
is that
do
the entry point?
The auditions, because they are outsiders,
Oh.
correct?
Oh yeah, that's
it's
where you
free.
come from the real world
Yeah.
into the
Yeah.
reality world.
Yes, that's
Real
the
to
interesting,
reality.
yeah.
real to reality. And once you go viral with Splitsvilla, which people do, and with roadies, of course,
Yeah.
Splitsvilla के बाद लोग roadies करते हैं और उनका एक ही डायलॉग होता है ना कि मेरा लवर बॉय एरा देखा है,
Yeah,
अब
era.
मेरा whatever विकराल रूप देखने के लिए
Yeah.
roadies, something like that.
Yes.
And then they do that, and then if they are hit there also, then Big Boss, you try for Big Boss, and then if you have enough reels with Salman Khan, then it's Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Oh.
So first you gotta learn how to ride a bike. Then you gotta learn how to love someone.
Yeah.
Then Sallu Bhai will take care of the
Roadies
rest.
mandatory to know how to ride a bike?
Of course, you can't be. I mean,
Pillion roadies? Can you be pillion?
can you go the whole season pillion? I don't know. I think you can, but it's a very
Only guy
sexist
who
thing
came
again.
with Rapido.
Yeah. Just OTP and going on.
Run, Vijay. I'm sorry, I can't.
Just every time going for a task,
There's
I'm like, hey
one
bro, can
guy-
you pick me up also?
There's one guy wearing a shower cap to wear the public helmet to, get to the task.
So when I got to go back on the finale and
Yes.
do a roast
Yes.
for the contestants.
I did. You know what? I've realized the creatives are people who are, they understand everyone's, what you can
What their
extract.
strengths are. And,
What you
yeah.
can take from a person. So they were very, they knew how I'm
Yeah.
going to perform because they know the kind of person
They had
I
mapped
am.
it out.
They sort of had a clue. So then in the end they were like, listen, you're good at roast, you're good at jokes. You do that. You come back. I mean, तब मुझे समझ आया कि अच्छा तुमको समझ तो आता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि
Yeah.
तुमको पता नहीं है कि मैं ये तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी. आपको ये बात तो पता होनी चाहिए.
So that's also, they might have thought of it like, okay, this person's we'll put them as a contestant so
Yes.
that then when they come back, say, Arey,
Yes.
she's back after all these weeks,
Yes.
and revenge lene you have come.
Revenge, yeah. But they didn't even see me as that. They were just like, yeah, oh, hi.
Hey.
They had their revenge arc going on with other people.
Oh.
Because they had those fights with each other. Nobody fought with me. They were all pitying me.
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost like, so that's a problem in these shows. Basically, if no one is picking on you,
No.
you're in trouble.
They wouldn't. This is also a thing. Reality. You think that they're just they will fight with anyone. They won't fight with anyone because they know ये कटेगा नहीं, ये बाहर जाएगा नहीं. Also, they look bad if they pick on someone who's supposedly not that famous.
Yeah.
Right.
It looks like
Yeah.
punching down. Even in their
they
world.
understand
Yeah.
punching
Man.
down and punching up very
Beautiful,
well.
yeah.
I thought those guys are dumb, dude. They're
The
No.
nuances of this world, it's incredible.
Nuances.
So, what is the final goal in this line of work? Like, where do you go when you win all these
Yeah,
shows?
what happens after?
Obviously,
It is, that their life is brand deals and basically hopping from one reality show to the other and doing
movies?
songs. Now they do songs, right? The albums.
Oh, they become new
Singles.
artists.
Either they are the musicians or musicians hire them as actors in
their videos.
Oh.
Munawar has done so many.
Sure, Munawar has also done a web series or
He's done a movie.
First
he's done,
Copy or something?
Yeah, I think that's a movie. He's done a movie.
Is that out?
It's out.
Okay, I got
And it's done well also. So he's done Lockdown, he's done Big Boss. He's hosted he hosted 2 shows, reality shows at least.
And he won Big Boss and that
yes,
lock
he
up.
won both the reality shows. He was a contestant of.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Were there any jokes that you had to cut out or that cut out?
Yeah.
No. So TV, I tell you one, I have worked with OTT. I mean, that's how you talk, right? OTT and TV. OTT or even brands that you work with give you more feedback than TV does.
Oh.
Because TV doesn't have time. Their biggest priority is Salman,
Ah.
not you. They
Yeah,
can't get
yeah.
on a call with you regularly. So they got, when I was doing Big Boss Roast, they gave me 3 days to write it. They got on a call once with me. And on the day, they were like, do whatever the you want, we'll edit. Anyways, we have the edit control.
Okay.
So
Which
it
is
was-
nice in
yeah,
a way.
yeah.
The freedom you have.
Only on but till
Yeah,
the
which
edit
is,
table.
that's how you should do it also, so that like the room is like,
let
live
the-
experience is not
Yeah,
compromised.
let it fix it in the edit.
Yeah.
Don't like put that stress on.
They were very chill. Like on the day, they just asked me कि आपने क्या लिखा है, and then they just heard it, and they heard it not in a way to tell me if it's funny or not. They were just like ये 15 मिनट चलेगा कि नहीं. That's all they did, and they were like ये नहीं चलेगा शायद, and they also suggested कि आप ये एक crowd work कर देना तो वो add हो जाएगा. Like they genuinely were so just like we just want 15 minutes from you.
Yeah.
This is Big Boss.
This is Big Boss.
And here, what about in
Here
this one?
they called and they said we saw a reel of that you put out. Just do the same reel. Just come if you want to add jokes to it. That's your whatever. But we like the jokes, so just repeat the jokes.
Ah.
That's
Oh,
it.
the jokes you did after coming out of the
Out.
50, about the thing.
from
Okay.
from Habitat, and they watched that reel, and they said, "Oh, we really like the jokes. Just add 1 or 2, but like we like the zone." So
Okay.
they always talk in zone, like very
Yeah.
broad.
Zones.
They don't get into one line.
You
or
can't
whatever.
micromanage at that scale because
Yeah.
there's
Yeah.
so many moving parts.
Also,
Yes.
so when you were performing to just the remaining contestants.
Yeah, there were few who came back from being eliminated.
Okay,
So
some-
just the contestants essentially.
And would you notice
Very
like
good.
they're acting up like for the
Yes,
cameras?
yes, they were.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
they
yeah,
were.
stuff like that.
They were.
Nice, nice.
But as soon as they hear joke का वो जो template होता
Yeah,
है,
the rhythm,
the
they
rhythm
forget it,
they
yeah.
react it's very instinctively because
Okay.
they know कि ये
Amazing.
कटेगा, so मेरा reaction आना चाहिए. Like
Yeah.
they're very smart about this whole camera thing, which
That's the game of like permanently being calculative and being
Yes.
like. So have you ever I was going to say in your time there, but it was 2 days. Did you see any moment where they dropped their guard and you saw reality,
Yes.
actual real person shine through?
Yes.
Yeah?
There
So
were
did-
so many times. See, in the 24 hours time, also what happens is they forget that they're wearing a mic.
Okay.
Which I also did.
Yeah.
Even in one day, I forgot that I'm wearing a
Yeah,
mic.
I think they know that happens. Huh?
So that happens, and then you start saying genuinely what you feel like.
Yeah.
like you would say the worst things, and you would react like you can't control your face so
Yeah.
much also.
Yeah.
So there are moments when they're playing up a fight, but then they're tired, and then you can see very silently people eating because they're so tired of the
Yeah,
high
it's
tempo.
draining.
Yeah, it is draining. But you know what? Because there were 50 contestants and Big Boss has like 25. That really helps when it's 20. No, actually, Big Boss is also quite okay. So when I was there were a lot of ex-Big Boss contestants in this
Okay.
show.
Sure.
So I asked them,
Veterans.
of course, what else am I going to do?
Yeah.
So I asked them how different and difficult is it? And they said Big Boss is more taxing because every 15 minutes someone is fighting in the house.
Oh.
Every 15
Wow.
minutes.
And is there like a curfew? Like after 10 o'clock, no fighting?
fighting.
Sleep time.
No, people fight throughout.
24/7, 365. Open for business.
Out. And then मतलब क्योंकि वो दिन में 4-5 जितनी भी जाएगी ना कट के,
Yeah.
तो लोग constantly लड़ रहे होते हैं, constant. And then it becomes a habit. Imagine if I fight with you every day, one day it will become a habit for
Yeah.
you also
Yeah.
to react to me.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
Big Boss. And with 50, this show that I did, they were like nobody has time because it was physically more taxing.
Okay.
So that's how different it was.
And where was this? Where did it happen?
Here in Mumbai only they
In
had
one
a set.
farmhouse they took and 50
No,
people
like
they
a
put.
set, like a studio.
Okay, and here, okay, so it is shoot and then go sleep.
No, in the house. You're in that studio
Or
locked.
studio house they created.
Yes.
You
yes.
stayed there.
Yes.
They also have to form teams and or do tasks like figure out like oh who we can vote for. So all that.
But cooking and all?
No, there was no cooking in this show.
The food was delivered.
Food was given to
That's
people.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah.
huge thing I would have to consider.
Yeah.
If I have to cook inside while camera, even
Yeah.
without camera on me, I'm pretty bad. But with camera on me and being
They were,
mic'd up,
so these are all gym people,
Gym
right?
bros.
Gym bros.
They
So-
need their
yes, protein. Soon as food was served, chicken was gone.
Oh.
Or like eggs or whatever is protein, paneer, whatever. Like people would just go like, get that protein. And then, you know, I took it as a joke during lunch. And then one day I was there and I was like, no, I need to get my
Yeah.
protein also. This is very taxing.
And do they did they build a gym also inside?
Yeah,
They
they
have
did.
to work out, right?
Yeah,
These
weights were there and cardio and all of that. But
Yeah.
I've realized boys don't do cardio at all. They
No,
just
not
love,
that these guys who want to
Yeah.
get big,
No,
they
yeah.
avoid cardio.
Yeah.
They like do like powerlifting and say usme ho gaya 10 minute cardio.
Haan, they do that. They do.
Yeah.
They people were lifting weights all the time.
Yeah.
All the, and you know, I did start working out after just
Wow,
meeting them
50.
for 2 days.
You were saying that was one influence because they start giving you tips immediately.
They start giving you tips immediately. Like they don't look at you and they don't like go too moti hai. They're just like tu ye kar.
Ah.
Yeah.
Tu ye kar. And
They're
they're so
solutions-
excited. They're genuinely
solutions
very
driven.
excited. They're very
Yeah.
like walk.
Yeah.
Protein. Have you
Yeah.
tried this? And then you're like, you know what? I actually would try.
That's
I actually
nice.
would go out and lift some weights and walk.
That's a positive take
Yeah,
of
a
your
reality
experience.
show made you work out, man. It is-
Yeah,
That's
yeah. And then
incredible.
also I bought a lot of athleisure because that was a requirement of the show that you buy athleisure because
Why?
that's what you wear throughout the day. So they want you to buy 1 week ka saman at least, which is a lot of those t-shirts and stuff. And now I don't know what to do with all of that. So
You got like a whole bunch of athletes.
So I said yes to Pavitra for badminton league.
So this is just to.
You're like
It's
signing
as-
up for athletic trials.
It's as I
It's
have-
incredible if you become some sort of semi-professional athlete now
Yeah,
because
just
of
because
the
of-
50.
Because of the-
Somehow it's a knock-on effect of that. But so it's over. The show's over.
The show is over.
Is it a success? Do you know?
I don't know. I think it was definitely not as big as Big Boss. But
Sure.
no, nothing can be because
Nothing
Big
can.
Boss has
It's-
been
yeah.
going on for a
Yeah.
while. I think people watched. I don't know. I think people did. None of the comics don't watch Big Boss also, so none of the comics did.
Big Boss, how many seasons till now?
19, 20?
1920 in Hindi, and every language has their own.
Some have, yeah.
And Salman Khan has hosted some 15 seasons.
But he only comes on weekends, right?
Weekends. Yeah.
Yeah. Weekend ka what?
War.
Weekend
Oh,
ka
war,
war.
like attack. Oh.
Yeah. Weekend warrior.
Sorry. Who would you say like what did you actually make a genuine connection on the show or who was the weirdest on the board?
That she can't say.
No, connection in the sense.
Say
connection.
it.
Go ahead.
Good, yeah, let's go.
Who's the weird? Let's rank the 50 in
Yeah.
weirdness from
What is
50.
your top 50 ranking?
Number one would obviously Salman Khan, because that's how you start at.
Oh, he was there in this one also?
No, he wasn't. He wasn't. He wasn't. But the aspiration is always Big Boss. Not with this, because they were actually all celebrities. You know, Big Boss is still like people who are starting out.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah, yeah,
people
yeah.
they have the time to be and become or like show their personality. This was just like Prince Narula and me,
Oh, okay, yeah.
which is insane because
He's huge, right?
he's
Yeah.
huge.
And
then
he's like a veteran of reality
Yeah,
TV.
yeah.
He's
Files.
also a winner of Big Boss.
all of it. All the reality shows he's done, he's won. This one he didn't, but he also opted out. He didn't.
Oh,
Nobody like.
the streak is broken.
Oh, when he
Yes.
realized this is
Yeah.
that like John Jones, right? Like no defeats but one disqualification, right?
I became very good friends with Arya, who's a rapper.
Okay.
And that was also because rappers are cool.
Yeah.
They're cool people.
Close to comics.
Close to comics, and she is very nice. And she also told me, she was like, "You're not at all made for this." Like during lunch, she was like, "Wow, you've made a huge mistake."
Like you can see just by body language and someone
Yeah.
standing out.
Yeah, you know, so the whole thing was that उन्होंने bed एक कम बनाया था. So there were 50 people. There was like one person will not get bed.
Why is a watchman?
So what?
One person keeps guard.
One person is watchman.
You have a rolling like every hour you shift.
Yeah.
So I mean, it was मैं तो कुछ तो up था. I don't even know कि bed कम था जो भी था, but there were few people who didn't have bed for first day, and so it was genuinely, they told me, they were like, you have to enter and like एक bed आपको लेना है, पकड़ना है. मैंने तो पकड़ लिया, and I was very like, दूसरे लोग क्यों नहीं पकड़ रहे? और then I realized that people also want to be seen with people who are famous.
Yeah.
So nobody is taking the bed next to me.
So sad.
And I
On
was-
live, seeing this live.
Sleeping across two beds. He's just using both beds.
You'd rather not sleep on a bed, but
Yeah.
you would not sleep next.
Oh man.
You really, वो तुमको सच में हमारी औकात बता देते हैं यार, औकात. मतलब then Arya took the bed next to me.
Okay.
Because she was like, you are genuine as a person, so I just want to be with you, and I was like, तुझे ठीक है, ऐसे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे इतना बुरा नहीं लगा है मुझे.
Did
I
she
won't-
last long in the show?
Yes, she lasted. Yeah, she did like half or whatever. Like काफी देर तक
Who
तो
was
थी.
the celebrity in this? Who's the Salman Khan of 50?
Of this whole show, there was one guy called Faisu. Do you know Faisu?
No.
He's a TikToker, and he
Okay.
has 3 crore people who follow him. 33 million, 3 crores. 3
He's an
crores.
influencer.
He's an influencer. Then there's Prince, who has like the reality.
Clout already, huh?
Yes. There's Rajat Dalal, who was a power lifter.
Oh yeah, I know Raj Dalal. Yeah.
You know a lot. See, boys know when a
No,
boy.
I mean I don't have a great impression of him, but yeah, I know him. Yeah.
Yeah, he's famous because of his powerlifting career and other things.
No, but the guy, the celebrity who dictates, like the Salman Khan.
There was a masked
No,
guy,
there
right?
was no host. There was just this one lion who was masked.
Yeah, like this from Squid Game. They took
Yes.
from the who are those guys? The VIPs. They took the mask from one of those. Like it's very
Yeah.
like that one lion mask.
Yes.
But you
And
don't
there's-
know who that is.
No, it's just
You
an
never find
actor
out?
actually.
Did you see the actor wearing
Yes,
it and
yes,
you're like,
yes.
"Arey, this."
Yes,
Who is
yes.
it?
He's an actor. They just hired just a body basically.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
basically a body.
shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just like you need
So it's
shoulders.
just that.
He's not famous at all.
No.
Reveal his name just for the.
I
heck
don't have
of it.
no clue who he is. I have no clue.
This
who
was
he
the
is.
scoop I was.
The real
hoping for.
lion walks amongst us.
The
Like, we
Sanjay
don't
Dutt. It
know.
was
It was
Sanjay Dutt.
Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt was
We
the
knew
lion.
because he had to remove for smoking. Riddhi Dogra was also
If
a
it was
huge
Salman
name.
Khan wearing this one, they would have put a smoking thing over here itself.
Riddhi Dogra is an
Who's she?
actor. She's an actor. She did Jawan, no? She did Jawan. She played Shah Rukh Khan's mother.
Oh wow.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, who was way younger than Shah Rukh Khan? I
Yes,
remember
yes,
now.
yes.
That
She
was
was
like,
on the show.
What a crazy
Urvashi
role.
Dholakia was on the show. The
Ah,
Kamalika.
I know.
Who the?
Kamalika.
Come on.
From
He doesn't know.
Indian serial.
He doesn't know.
Yeah.
Famous vamp. I like how you're like, he doesn't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the only guy I know more than in this field. So I feel like I know a lot.
All the movies you're discussing over there while eating, I was like, yeah. I'm sure Razia is good.
Razia.
Razia is a very good
Razia
movie.
Sultan.
It's Narnia's cousin.
Are you
But-
working on anything script wise like Bollywood types?
No. I tell you why. Because I have taken a break from fiction. Fiction takes away so much time. And also, just I want to do more of stand-up now, which finally I want to do in my career. Because I've realized कि
You've changed your focus.
Yes, कि अरे मेरे followers बढ़ रहे हैं ऐसे कैसे? Because I'm working on it. So and nothing really rewards you like your own stuff.
Yeah.
This is true.
Nothing. And then they'll keep saying, "Oh, you're such a good writer. You write such good jokes. Do this, and you should
Yeah.
always be like, hey, I paid this much." And then
Yeah.
you never see them again.
No, yeah, that's very true.
So,
There's a
yeah.
lot of projects that are just like, yeah, maybe we'll get back on this. You should write. You
Yeah.
should. We like what you're doing.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, we had to go another direction.
Yeah.
It's always, they're going so many other directions
Yeah.
in fiction.
And even if you agree because you like what it is and for lesser money, it sometimes it goes on, the feedback is too much and it
Yeah.
just drains you, and then you don't even know what's the way out from
Yeah.
this.
You're stuck, yeah.
You're stuck, and you would rather just do spots and build material.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, yeah. At the end of a day like that, you're really happy to get on stage and be like, oh, it's just me
Yeah.
with things I wrote and no one has told me to.
No feedback, no feedback.
except from that person in the crowd.
Yeah, who's not giving me anything right
Who's
now?
wrong? Who is clearly wrong?
And then
Bad
you come back on
audience.
Saturday, prove him wrong.
Prove him wrong.
Because
Where is he
Saturday-
today, huh? Chickened out, didn't come again. Didn't come again for a lineup show at the same venue. You ever see a guy who's back every day? Like there was on Midnight Habitat where I did a whole week, and the same guy was in the front row every day.
Yeah.
And I had to go up first the whole week, and every day I did crowd work with him, and he would make up a different profession.
That is so cool.
Yeah, that was fun. And he was just staying in the hotel, the
And he would
Habitat.
just keep coming.
Yeah.
That is
Oh,
so
nice.
cool.
Yeah.
I mean, damaged soul for sure.
For sure, for sure.
Something broke in him.
And also, you can't do any material. Like
Yeah.
I couldn't. After the third day, I was just talking to him and
Yeah.
leaving. Like
That is so. But you know, whenever I see repeat audience, because it happens in clubs a lot of times,
Yeah.
and then I want to do this once where I just give my mic to them like chorus. Now
Yeah.
you say the
your
punchline.
turn.
Nah, and then
That's so true. You gotta
Yeah.
get one of those going. Even if the joke doesn't work like that,
Yeah.
the people will remember that moment. Like
Yes.
the crowd knew this
Yeah.
person's material.
Yes, yes.
Like they're huge.
yes.
She's so relatable.
Yeah.
She's
I gotta do more research on this. So now it's time for our celebrated segment and only legendary only segment of the show. It's called Small Talk Different Year. We're going to continue our conversation, but now we're in a different year. It is the year 1950. Is that
I'm
right?
not allowed to
Yes.
talk.
We are allowing some rule changes are there. This is a not necessarily a utopia, but a slightly
Yeah.
better world maybe. We'll see how it goes. 1950 and
1950.
go.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
What are you feeling?
We don't speak like that.
Did you read the latest book?
The latest book, what is it?
Constitution.
The Constitution.
Yeah, the Constitution.
Wow, January, what a month it was.
Yeah,
Everything
man.
changed in
Dude.
January.
We still have a king. You guys know that.
We still have a king?
We still
Yeah.
have a king.
Who's the king?
George the Sixth, I think. George Sixth.
You know more than me, so I can't
King
judge
George.
you.
King
no, but I'll
George.
tell you what. I went with I had an old coin which had King George on
Really?
it.
Okay.
And then now they changed the thing with all coins have Gandhi and Ashoka pillar and all
So you have
those
to get it
things.
exchanged, right?
Yeah, they're not even allowing my old coin. Demonetization,
What?
they say. And I'm like, dude, what? How can you just ban a currency just like
That's
that?
a monstrous thing to
and
do.
then the guy told me that, dude, some plates got stolen.
Oh no.
And I was like, okay, now I'll do it. Now I'll stand in the queue.
There's a lot going on with plates, I'm noticing.
Yeah,
nowadays.
it's a plate for a coin.
Just like 3 years ago when, we weren't sure, are we? What are we?
Yeah, what are we?
What are we? But now we know. But
Separated.
there was a lot of, there was a rumor that if you stand in the balcony and smash your plates also, the British will leave.
Yeah.
That's also such a
the
crazy...
British in my colony left because they
They
were
left, they get
annoyed.
irritated by the noise. So it kind of works at a small scale.
Yeah.
But
Think
plates-
about that. Think
What?
about do the whole country does
Together, Dude, forget the British. Like even like a virus would leave the country at that level. That's how powerful that would be. The shock waves.
The shock waves that it will send.
Yeah, but I'm looking forward to reading the Constitution.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Yeah.
And also one more thing, I'm little bummed. Like, did you voted no for the anthem? Which is the anthem? It was the Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram,
or,
Vande Mataram.
Jana Gana Mana it was.
Yeah.
I was team Vande Mataram.
Team
bro.
Vande Mataram. I think Vande Mataram is going to win, right?
No, Jana Gana Mana won.
It won?
Yeah, it won.
Yeah, it did.
Vande
I didn't
Mataram.
vote. I don't know.
You didn't vote?
I did not vote.
None of the above. Nota?
None of the above. None of
Vande
the above.
Mataram was better, man. Like every time I listen to that song, I'm like just like Ma tujhe salam.
What? Those are not the lyrics.
I feel
Is
like
this your
that's the
own
lyric.
version?
I feel like that's gonna be the lyrics sometime.
That's your own version, I think. You updated it, or what? That sounds very, I was going to say contemporary, but that's not the right word. Like
Yeah.
contemporary in the future.
Yeah.
Right now, very much in the future. That is very modern. I
But
don't
what are
like
you up
it.
to? What are you doing these days, Sumera?
I'm just waiting for this one movie to release.
Which one?
It's about Mother.
Mother.
And they're probably calling it Mother India. I
Mother
really
India.
want to
Yeah,
watch
Maha
it.
Tujhe Salam, bro, I'm
Maha
telling
Tujhe
you.
Salam
Yeah.
and Mother India. And I think it's just in production currently, so I'm just waiting for the release of it. There won't be any
Oh.
OTT release because there's no OTT.
What is it? That's the you're saying
Over
the promotion.
over the top?
Yeah,
top, over
the
the
promotion
top.
is very over the top.
Very
you're
Yeah,
saying.
over the
promotions are
top.
very-
They're going
Release.
crazy about it.
Yeah, it's a very over the top movie.
Yeah, is it like, what does it involve? Do you know the plot?
I don't know the plot. I don't know how to do this. This
You know
is
who
very
will know
tough,
the plot?
guys.
You know who will know the plot? I have a friend in Mumbai. His name is Viral Bayani.
What the hell?
Right? He will know everything.
He will
Right
know.
now?
He will know.
He will know. He will.
What is happening right now? What is happening? There's so much going on. The Cold War is escalating. And meanwhile, you guys are making up some nonsense.
Bro, every time I go to Viral's house, he just
Yeah.
shows me like a photo of like an actress like where she didn't see it. And like from the side. And I was like, what
Is
are
he
you
from the
doing?
future? Like, who is this guy? From the side? I've never looked at a person from the side, let alone a
Dude.
woman.
Smile.
I would never do such a vulgar
I
thing.
told him, put it out. Just like do something to like take it out to the masses.
Oh, what are you talking about? Mao Zedong is consolidating power in the East right now. And you're talking about this some photos of actors. I just don't get it. Korean War has started.
Yeah, Korean War.
I know. Yeah.
You know?
Inflation is
I mean,
happening.
BTS is pretty good.
The
The behind the scenes of the
the
Korean
behind
War,
the scenes of the Korean War is pretty good.
Dude, but I mean, you know what? It like fine. You want to talk about real shit? I was just
Let's
I
talk
just
about
didn't
it.
want. My cousin came from London.
Yeah.
He came. There's this thing called smog over there. London.
London?
Smog.
Oh, London is disgusting.
smog.
London is
London
just a metropolis full of pollution. That's
Yeah,
what I've
full
heard.
pollution. And the crazy. So I told like, why don't you guys protest? And there's like no, wherever they're measuring the smog, they're putting water over there. So like they're not even getting like the accurate reading. I
That's
was
just
like,
embarrassing,
you're a
man.
democracy, guys. So
This-
you're a monarchy, but still.
Yeah, but like shame on you. You need to learn from us. We are a very new with a young democracy right
Us
now.
in Israel.
Us in Israel.
Yeah.
Us in
Us in Israel are they came right after. Though.
Yeah,
we are
48,
the older
yeah.
brothers. We are the older brothers. Sister,
Yeah, they have smog.
Mother India,
Yeah, they don't have smog, right?
mother depends on a relation.
Yeah, Mother
dep-
India, son Israel.
Yeah, they have what?
They also have smog, yeah, Israel?
They have smog? Yeah, they have. I think they are in a permanent smog.
Yeah.
Over there, the smog will never end. Honestly, it's a
The
permanent.
smog of Arabia.
It's like crazy, man. It's unbelievable that I learned about a country this year which I never knew about. It's called Uruguay.
Uruguay?
Yeah, did you know in South America they won the FIFA World Cup?
What's that?
It's where people come together
Football.
and play football.
Hey, we qualified in that.
We did. Why did we not go?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Really?
Yeah, we didn't have shoes.
We didn't have
We
shoes and we
did.
were
Because
like,
we
we are not
didn't-
going to wear
we
your
want to
shoes and
respect.
play. We're not wearing your shoes and playing. All right.
Really?
Yeah.
We did not. Oh, damn.
That's true. And I think it's a very, it's a show of strength and we'll be back stronger next
Yeah,
time.
now they will change the rule.
Next
FIFA,
time, Yeah.
They'll change the rule.
Yeah. In football, if I can't see your feet,
Yeah.
what kind
What's
of...
the point?
That's called, in the future, they'll call that clickbait.
Yeah. Dude, I mean, if you can't see a feed football, just change the name. Put
Yeah.
it like what? Like suckers play it. Soccer.
Oh my goodness.
Did you hear about the Liaquat Nehru deal?
I mean, right? If
I
you
think
if
that's
you
what it's
mean
going to be called in the future. in
if you mean
textbooks.
just now, I did. Yes,
Yeah,
I heard it from you.
Liaquat Nehru, where no violence against like minorities and all those things. Yeah. You know what?
Beautiful.
Done.
Beautiful.
Yeah, over.
We're moving forward.
We're moving forward. No more. Enough. Like, India and Pakistan, we have done this. No, let's not even do like, not even frontal violence, like, make a movie to like, diss them and all. No, let's not do that.
Yeah, we've taken a mature stance now.
Yeah.
No more joking around. We are two
That's
adult
right.
countries.
It's love with 1,000 hugs.
Adult countries.
Adult countries.
Two adult countries.
We are not children anymore.
Yeah.
Let's learn to love each other.
Yeah.
And but you know what? The job I really want, dude,
Hmm.
is Dr. Rajendra Prasad's job. Being a president right now, the first president, that too.
Yeah.
Imagine being the first president. No one can take that away from
Yeah.
you. No one will remember what you used to do,
Yeah.
but they'll never forget.
But what do you think about your first prime minister?
I like his hat.
I
like
think,
his hat.
I think he has some flaws.
He
Yes.
does.
Which is not come up right now.
It'll come later.
It'll come later.
I think he's like your ex, like the first boyfriend, and then like you always blame him
Yeah,
for
that's
everything
true.
in your
Yeah,
love
yeah,
life.
yeah.
Like it's all his fault. It's
Yeah.
That's
because of
true.
him my attachment issues, all because
That's
of
true.
him.
That's
Yeah.
true. You
and
never.
That's what, right? And it's when you love someone so much and they
Yeah.
break your heart is when you feel that, right? So
Yeah.
it's that. It's very toxic. Like I also had that little. I was very charmed by him and his hat.
When I found out that under that hat he's bald, that's when I was like, no way, this is not okay. You're
Dude, did you-
deceiving me.
He's an affair.
Affair?
Yeah.
With? Lady?
Yeah, Edwina.
Edwina?
Edwina,
Yeah.
Mountbatten's
Yeah,
wife.
Mountbatten. Yeah.
Mountbatten's wife.
Nehru and this one.
Are you kidding
They're holding
me?
hands and all.
Oh, vulgar. A vulgar display.
Bridgerton vibes.
What does that mean? You guys are,
clue.
you are so well educated, both of you. Bringing up references I never understood. I'm a simple farmer, I guess.
Farmer.
What am I farming right now? What are my crops right now?
देश की धरती सोना उगले.
That's right. That's why I'm waiting for Mother India. It's going to be my favorite film. Something
going to
about
be.
me, somewhat, I
Yeah.
think.
It will be.
I've
it'll
not
be.
read the plot yet.
You've not?
It's not on Letterboxd yet.
But I.
In my letterbox, I mean.
After the
They're
constitution-
delivering the script to my letterbox tonight, and I'm going to read it.
After that, I forgot to tell you guys, I did work on the Constitution a little bit. Right?
How can you forget a detail like that?
I
huh?
forgot. I didn't want to tell you guys because it's like like I had an NDA signed. It was like in
Oh.
production, so I didn't want to like bring it up. So then after that, me and the boys, we wanted to like just relax.
Yeah.
Right. We thought, okay, let's go to a beach. Right. We went to Goa.
It's not-
Portuguese. I
They-
need a Portuguese visa
Yeah.
to go to.
We've got to
did,
take
you
Goa,
did.
man. It's getting out of hand
And
right
from
now.
on the way we're going, we go to Hyderabad. We just got, and then
Yeah, come on.
yeah,
Let's finish the job.
let's finish it. I'm telling you.
Let's go in there. Goa
Yeah.
has to be ours, man. Come
Goa
on.
has to be asked
Go, Goa,
for the
gone.
cheapest.
Yeah, that's it. And that's what we reached Goa border,
Right.
and then we have to go to the visa office. Our bus went off, and then we have to take a cab to go to the visa office.
And the cabs.
Cab guys are
This
not
is a
fucking.
primitive way of working. These cabs keep fighting. They're like, this area is our cab.
Ours, yeah.
You
This
can't
Goa
take.
cabs are so
you go to
bad.
another
But what
area.
about Uber? They don't have Uber.
What Uber?
What is
That's
That's
Uber.
World War. That's
What is-
Germany.
what is this?
That's
Yeah,
gone.
the Uber mensch.
Yeah, that's over.
Who are you talking
The
about?
1945. We can't say that anymore.
Please, we don't talk about those times anymore. But it's primitive the way these cab drivers have their regions. Like,
Regions.
we surely must move on from this behavior very soon. We are independent 3 years already.
Yeah, 3 years.
It's
It's
not
high
Goa,
time.
but come on.
High time that
High
we
time,
sort
you
the
know?
cab issue out.
Yeah, we unify the cabs under one roof.
Yeah.
Right?
I think so too. I think
It's
we
high
would-
time you don't catch a branch and try to beat up your cab driver
Correct.
because you took it from the wrong area.
Yeah.
For God's sake. Maybe I'm speaking from personal experience, but
personal
yeah,
experience.
it happens, man. Goa. Can't wait to I have a feeling that's where, you know, a new genre of music will be invented. soon.
Yeah?
Yeah, called the trance. It's just
But that's
something
it.
about trance.
Also,
is.
whenever you go there, right, I feel like whenever music is playing, I feel like just like removing my shirt.
It's something about
Let
that
it,
beat.
let
It's
it like fly behind.
Yeah.
And just like, you know, just standing on top and just like, you
Yeah,
know,
it's
dancing.
Just, it's not really dancing. It's dancing for people who can't dance.
Yeah.
That's what you feel like.
Yeah,
You
this,
just like,
you know?
I don't know. They don't have a word for it yet. But if I had to invent one, it'd be like vibing.
Yeah,
wanna
vibing.
vibe.
Wow. Wow, vibing.
One
We
day-
could use that in the constitution, man. Like that
Oh.
word.
Vibing.
There's got to be a vibe section.
Everyone
Vibe
needs to vibe.
section vibes.
Everyone needs
Don't
to
be
vibe with each
uncool.
other. Yeah, don't be uncool.
And don't,
Vibe.
if you've not read the Constitution, then you got negative aura.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. Enough. Thank you. Oh, we did it.
Yeah.
It's over. Thank you so much, Sumaira. Thank you for
Thank
coming
you.
on.
Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you.
will be out in month
Yeah.
and like 4 to 5 weeks.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to plug? Anything you're doing, live shows, even if it's not specific, you can
You can just say, just follow me on Instagram because I
Yes.
just plan on putting reels and
awesome.
that's it.
Ah.
That's the future.
about it. That's my future plan. In fact, now I get work inquiries. I'm of course very grateful, but also if they're like few months of your time, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
I want to write jokes.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I genuinely just want to write jokes.
That's
and
awesome.
It.
So follow Sumaira Sheikh on Instagram and follow us wherever you can and watch our stuff.
Wherever you can.
And see
See you.
you.